Speed.
Whenever you're ready.
James, it's okay. We're insane. We're crazy.
How did we get here?
You passed out. I got this motel. There was $40 in your pocket. Kind of borrowed it. Hope you don't mind.
Wait, what?
Listen, I called. It's a dog walking company.
Wait, a dog walking company? I don't understand.
Yes, we're insane. Isn't that great?
No. I just dreamt it again.
I called the number, James. No superiors, no scientists, no people from the future. It's just a dog walking company.
It seemed so real.
There was a voicemail. You can leave a message if you want your dog to be walked or picked up.
Wait, you left them a voicemail?
I couldn't resist. I was so relieved. Just imagine, you hear this nutty woman calling them to warning them about, look out for the
militia of malice.
They're
coming for us. They're the ones who did it. The police are chasing us.
You couldn't have heard me.
They got your message, Catherine. They showed me the message. I couldn't hear your voice. It was distorted. But they got your message.
Good. Say your names.
Jacob Zukowski.
Kinsey Lowe.
Thanks, guys.